Hey Maria, I know you said you couldn't get the sound. Dropbox, the way that Dropbox works, it's universal. So they made the platform so simple that it's easy to overcome, especially if you couldn't hear video quality. So I clicked the link. It opens up into a new place. I press play. Now, I'm able to hear this just fine.
So we're going to start with kind of
So,
just an
a couple options that you might want to try here. Depending on what browser you're using, I'm hoping you're using Chrome. Google Chrome should work fine. I've tried it on Safari and some other options. Everything seems to work really simple. Now, if you're still having trouble, make sure that the sound volume is all the way up. If for any reason this is off, it will not allow you to listen to it. Um, Next option, if that's not the issue, obviously check your own volume. Make sure that it's not your own volume. And you can always select volume or sound and go see why that isn't working. And that would be down here on your Windows. The third option is to download it direct to your computer. When you download it, it should download as an MP4, and you should be able to open it either in iTunes or in your Windows video player. MP4 is a very standard format. There really shouldn't be any issues from that point on, unless it is your internal sound. Now, sometimes in your sound, what you need to do is go into your sound and select the in your sound. Make sure that the sound is not going to headphones. You might need to plug in some headphones to see if the sound is trying to go out because you don't have any speakers or because speakers aren't working properly. So it might need to go to a set of headphones. That might be one of the issues. Sometimes it's just set to a wrong to go as a wrong output. So those are kind of my recommendations. I can send you a secondary video if you're still having issues, but hope you had a fabulous week and I look forward to seeing you soon. All right.